Hello, people of Zen out there. Thank you guys for coming to this channel. Now, what we're going to talk about today is, what do you feel about having things just because you were born into it? Like born into being rich, into being into poverty, born into middle class. Do you think that's your destiny? Or how about having abundance? So that's what we're going to talk about today. Is abundance your birthright? So stay tuned. Planet Green Zen, inspiring the everyday person to break free from the mundane and take action. But before we jump into that, if you guys have never been to this channel, what I love to do is just inspire the world mentally, physically, spiritually, financially, and socially. Because I truly believe that if we all had a holistic yin-yang balance of each one of these areas in life, we would be able to eliminate hunger, famine, war, slavery, poverty, and disease, and have more health, wealth, and abundance together as one human unit on this entire planet. So I want to ask you guys, if you believe in that type of message or something similar, please subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification so you're notified when new videos are released. Share these out with people in your community and tribe who needs to hear these messages, and comment below and let me know your thoughts on these different topics, okay? Let's go ahead and jump into it. So again, I want to ask the people of Zen out there, is abundance your birthright? What do you guys really think about that? So would you say that you can manifest whatever you want just by thinking about it? And if you really wanted to manifest abundance, can you do so? And just to back up a little bit, what does abundance mean to you? Does it mean having more freedom, more time, more money, more family time, better health, better spiritual life, better social skills, more confidence, being a CEO in a corporate job, whatever? What does abundance mean to you? Is that your birthright? So if you really want that, are you entitled to it? Do you have to work hard for it, or should it just be given to you? So I would like to ask you those questions. But either way you look at it, is it just like, okay, well, I'm thinking about this. I really want this higher paying job. I want to look physically fit. I really want to have great health. I really want to be able to serve and help people, but I don't know how to do it, so I'm just going to give up on it. Is that how you should react? Or should you be like, well, this is my birthright. I'm going to figure out what I need to do in order to obtain that birthright. So no matter what it takes, no matter how hard it is, no matter how much failure, how much fear I have, I'm not going to let that prevent me from accomplishing my dreams and my goals and your journey and destiny in life, because this is your birthright. You are put on this planet to actually create whatever you want and to get whatever you want, because, and this is just my personal opinion, I believe that you are a son or daughter of God Almighty, and God created the earth and universe. So look at that. If one being or entity, whatever you want to call it, created all of this that we have and live on, this stuff that we can't even see in outer space, and it's so much power and energy into that. So imagine if we all had what they call the God particle, just even a tiny sand grain of this. Again, I mentioned this before in the blog and in one of my earlier videos, but again, if we all had a piece of that, and if we can all tap into our ability to be able to produce what we want and to manifest that, using that particle that was given to us as a gift for being a part of this great being called God, Jesus Christ. So, but if you can use that to actually really create what you want, and you want it abundant, why not have it? And I truly believe everybody has this particle inside of them. You just need to learn how to activate it. You need to learn to listen to it. You need to learn to become one with your vibrational frequency. So then you can use that little particle, again, even if it's as dense as a sand grain, that tiny little speck, that's enough for each one of us to have what we want and be able to create what we want on this planet. Again, there's 3, 5, 10 billion people on this planet. There's enough sand grains of that particle for all of us to have a piece of it. And that's all that we need in order to create what we want and manifest it. And then we can teach other people to do it, have them activate their own particles within them to be able to manifest what you want. So again, is this something that you guys believe in or not? I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. But again, whatever you desire in life, I believe it is your birthright. And you are more than capable, more than qualified to be able to obtain that. So I want you guys to really think about what I'm saying to you. Don't let anyone tell you can't do anything, or it's not meant for you, or they tried it and it didn't work, because they tried something and they say it doesn't work, it doesn't mean that it's not meant for you, that it will not work for you. You are, again, a child of the universe, of this awesome energy that we live in, and you can tap into that energy to be able to do whatever you want. If you want to restore your health, create financial freedom, get out of debt, be happier, not so angry, you have that power. So again, I wanted to make this short audio blog just so that you know that abundance is your birthright. It is meant for you and you can obtain it. You just need to learn to activate that particle inside of you. Okay. So that's all that I have for you guys today. Again, I would love to hear your thoughts and comments in the description below. So as always, I want to leave you guys with the quote of the day. And I'm not sure who this quote is by. I couldn't find the person, but if you guys know, let me know. But the quote goes, "There are two ways to be happy. Change the situation or change your mindset towards it." Again, two ways to be happy. Either change your situation or change your mindset towards it. I believe that is true. So I would love to hear what you guys think in the description or the comments below, I should say. Okay. Well, again, this is Greg with Planet Green Zen. Hope you guys have a great day. Signing off. Have a good night.